what's up, y'all? It's Sean with Redtown Woods. I'm here with my buddy Brady.
What's going on?
We're gonna be talking about race cars today. So, what got you started with race cars?
Me and my dad used to build these back in the 90s, and I got out of it for a long time. And then a couple years ago, I pulled one up that me and Dad built out of the barn and converted it to all new stuff. And we went from brush motors to brushless. Went from about 25 mile an hour to over 60, 65, 70 mile an hour cars. Most of it's time to pass time, really.
Gotcha. Well, we got Jason in the building. He don't want to talk though. What got you started, Jason?
I was just a little kid, really.
I know I had some remote control cars when I was younger, but I ain't had nothing like this. Man, this ain't go no 25 miles to 50 miles an hour, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this one he's got right here, 4-wheel drive, 3S brushless.
How fast this one goes?
35, something like that.
What about this one, Brady?
This one's about 35 miles. I had another one I thought about bringing that's pushing 65 right now.
Oh, wow. That's the one you talking about bringing yesterday?
Yeah, this one's made for short track racing. That's why it turns so hard.
It turned. The ground's so slick, it won't turn.
That's why I was wondering what the red was, because it's wet.
Well, this made the drift, but yeah, the wet's not helping.
Yeah.
So we get along.
One you show me?
Yeah.
Now, how much something like this cost?
This one's right at 400.
Oh, wow.
I'm not sure what the stampede there is.
Did you have to build some of it yourself, or it already came?
This one came done. A lot of the ones I have, I built myself. I think out of the eight cars I have, 4 of them I built myself. Want to try her out, Sean?
Let me know what I need to do.
So you
Pull the handle.
pull it to go forward, and you push it forward to go back.
Push it forward to go back. Oh, okay.
And then, of course, you got your steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
They got a lot of power. Sometimes me and Walter here will put a ramp over there into that ravine. You're good. That's part of,
All I seen was $400.
no, that's part of it.
Right. Well, I just wrecked the car, y'all. I just wrecked $400. Hopefully it still works. Good sound.
Oh yeah, she's good to go. Oh. Hey there, you're driving like a professional, Sean.
I had to realize,
Oh yeah, he's saying we get on wet pavement. Those are slicks, so they always spin out.
I see why y'all be out here all the time.
Oh yeah, they're a blast. I'll bring my fast one in here next week for you to try it out. Oh yeah, he'll bring a ramp.
How long the battery usually last?
Yeah, 20 minutes, half hour sometimes. These 2S's, like that one's running, that probably lasts a little bit longer. Sometimes. See, I'd modify this one to run 3S instead of 2S and put some different gears in it, but it would disqualify me from actual track racing.
Oh, you be racing these for real? Like the real racing?
I ain't done it, but that's my goal. That's why I got that one.
Got some decent money in the competition.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of money in the competition. But luckily there's a series that only runs these late models out of the box. What's wrong, Wally? Wally, aka Santa Claus.
I think I got enough footage.
Yeah, man.
I took my break early. Yeah.